Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And we've got another truck we're getting ready to put on the lot today. Wanted to share this with you. It's a 2012 Dodge Ram 1500. Now this does have the Hemi engine in it. Let me pull up here. 5.7 V8 Hemi. Dark tinted windows on it. So we'll do a quick walk around. On the outside, go on the inside, you see it's got the chrome running boards on it. Boy, this is beautiful. I mean, black exterior, dark tinted windows on it. It's got the short bed on it. We'll go around here on the back. You can see it's got the dual tips for the exhaust. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bed. Okay, there we go. Clean looking bed on it. So let's go ahead and continue our walk around. Okay, we'll continue on the driver's side. Show you what it looks like over here. Now we do have, I did notice a very small dent. It's right there. I wanted to point out that to you. So there's your chrome running boards. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back seat. Okay guys, here we go. You see your interior is cloth. It's two-tone. It's a gray and cream color. Headliner appears to be in very good condition. Your door panel is a single color gray. Let's take a look up front. Now before we hop up front, I do want to show you, you do have right here, if you can see that emblem, it does have heated mirrors. Okay, so here we can take a look at the inside of the truck. And of course you've got control right here to raise, lower your steering column, your lights. So let's go ahead and hop on inside. Okay, here we go. We're on the inside. I've got the truck running. Do a little pan around here. Now this truck is obviously a four-wheel drive also, and your control for your four-wheel drive is right here, rotary dial. So let's go ahead and get a little bit closer. You can see the instrument gauges, the cluster on this. The mileage as of right now is 146,892. So we'll back away. You do have some controls on your steering wheel. These are basically for information up here, and this is your cruise control. And pan on over here, you do have a CD player here, your stereo system, satellite ability, Sirius XM, your climate control here. Now this is a pretty cool feature. You pull this out, and there you do have area for 3 cup holders and a storage compartment down here, and additional storage quite a bit right here, and this does lift completely up. And take a look at the back seat. Get 2 cup holders. You can't see it very good because it is dark out today, overcast I should say, but there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. It is a beautiful two-colored, two-toned interior inside of this truck. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. 2012 Dodge Ram 1500. It's got the 5.7 Hemi engine in it. We've got a lot of great financing sources available, lenders that are eager to loan money on this. Many of the cases that we have, you can get in this with no money down, low money down. A lot of times you just sign your name and drive, but if you want to have any information, any questions on this, feel free to give us a phone call up here, area code 740-992-4443, and come test drive this truck out. So have a great day.